Today, we're gonna make a chicken caprese salad with avocado that's out of this world. So I'm gonna build my base with some freshly washed romaine lettuce. I love romaine because it's crunchy and so delicious, and it fills you up and makes a perfect base for salads. I'm gonna build a salad with some really juicy cherry tomatoes. They're actually grape tomatoes because they're oval, but I'm gonna slice them in half. You can also use your garden tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, for this salad. Now I love cheese on my salads, and on this one I'm adding bocconcini or like little mini mozzarella balls. You could add your favorite cheese. I also love a sharp cheese with this salad because it contrasts the blackened chicken really well. Now the star of the show is this blackened chicken that I made in another video, and I love using it on my salads, on pasta. You can even cook a few pieces like I did ahead of time, keep it in the fridge for a few days and build incredible salads with it. Or other meals like my blackened chicken pasta. I'll link all of that below. I have an entire playlist and the seasoning is so good. I'm gonna add some avocado because I have an incredibly ready to eat avocado, which makes everything better and really delicious. It also fills you up. And what would tomato and mozzarella be without some fresh basil? So let's chop some of these and sprinkle it on top. If you don't have fresh basil and you have a jar of pesto sauce from dinner, you can also use that. Now, you know what makes this salad even better is a great dressing that you can keep in the fridge for up to 7 days, which only took 2 minutes to make. So let's drizzle some over the top. Let's give it a try. So delicious. Make sure to grab the ingredients to this chicken caprese salad with avocado and the dressing and how to make the chicken in the description box. And if you love this kind of recipes, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together every week. See you next time.